Hi, this is Drew with the Daniels Ag Services with your morning report. Markets all finished up lower last week, and they're lower to get the day started so far this morning. Did have a little bit of a frost go on in some certain areas. They were pretty small and pretty localized, so we're still lower this morning even with that. Again, we touched on it last week. We were thinking it was mainly going to be cosmetic in nature. Not very much damage done at all, and there's not any frost forecasted through the remainder of the month. So definitely not enough to support the market, and that's why we're seeing it lower so far this morning. We do get the NOPA crush estimate out today. That's expected to come in at 111.6 million bushels. That's the average trade estimate for soybeans being crushed. So we'll get that out at 11 a.m. this morning. We also will get some FSA data acreage numbers tomorrow, so that's something to keep your eye on for tomorrow's trading session. But as for today goes, we also got some export sales announced on the 8 o'clock wire. Had 118,000 metric tons of beans going to China, and then 120,000 metric tons of corn going to Mexico. So lower prices, seen some activity there, not really a surprise there. So that's all we've got for today. If you've got any questions, let me know. Otherwise, have a great day. We'll see you tomorrow.
This material is conveyed as a solicitation for entering into a derivatives transaction. This material has been prepared by Daniels Ag Services broker who provides research, market commentary, and trade recommendations as part of his or her solicitation for accounts and solicitation for trades. Daniels Ag Services, its principals, brokers, and employees may trade in derivatives for their own accounts or for the accounts of others. Due to various factors such as risk tolerance, margin requirements, trading objectives, short-term versus long-term strategies, technical versus fundamental market analysis, and other factors, such trading may result in the initiation or liquidation of positions that are different from or contrary to the opinions and recommendations contained therein. Past performance is not necessarily indicative of future performance. The risk of loss in trading futures contracts or commodity options can be substantial, and therefore investors should understand the risks involved in taking leveraged positions and must assume responsibility for the risks associated with such investments and for their results. You should carefully consider whether such trading is suitable for you in light of your circumstances and financial resources. You should read the risk disclosure accessed at www.danielsagservices.com. Daniels Ag Services is not affiliated with, nor does it endorse any trading system, newsletter, or similar service. Daniels Ag Services does not guarantee or verify any performance claims made by such systems or services.